As the government continues its defense of plans to draft new legislation ahead of taking over Venezuela's stake in Petrojam, the opposition is cautioning the government, suggesting that the move may be part of a larger geopolitical ploy. On Tuesday, the opposition spokesman on energy condemned the move, saying it was hostile to a long-standing friend to Jamaica. Today, the opposition leader added his voice to the issue, suggesting that the takeover may be a political alignment strategy. TVJ's Herman Green reports.
For opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips, the announcement that new legislation will be taken to Parliament to allow Jamaica to forcibly acquire Venezuela's stake in Petrojam is not only sudden, but dangerously suspicious in light of all that has been happening in that country.
Well, you know, we all know that there are hemispheric interests that disagree with the Venezuelan authorities, and there has been talk of regime change. What I would not like to believe is that the Jamaican government is acting at this time because it wants to be part of this general push to destabilize the government in Venezuela.
By his assessment, the move goes against what would have been expected, considering the long-standing relationship between Jamaica and Venezuela. He says even as a region, CARICOM's position has been to use the established offices to resolve the political issues in the South American country.
I think we would all want something that involves a peaceful resolution of the differences in Venezuela and the differences between Venezuela and other countries in the hemisphere. Any participation by Jamaica in a program to destabilize the Venezuelan authorities would be a step backwards, especially given the long history of relationships between Jamaica and Venezuela.
However, when contacted, Foreign Affairs Minister Kamina Johnson-Smith described Dr. Phillips' suggestion as nonsense.
Petrojam is about Petrojam, and we have been at pains to say publicly, as we have discussed with our Venezuelan counterparts, that the issue for us is not political. The issue is purely economic. It is in Jamaica's national interest with a view to securing our energy security, to protecting our energy security.
Ms. Johnson-Smith has also noted that it was communicated to the Venezuelans that negotiations are still open should they agree to or present a more reasonable offer for the buyback. Ms. Johnson-Smith had said the move is to protect Jamaica's energy security. Herman Green, TVJ News.